Confluence Technologies is a software firm that provides back-office automation systems to the investment management industry. The company was founded in 1991, and its main offering is the Unity platform, which is used primarily by mutual funds, hedge funds and their service providers to automate the fund administration process, including the collection, creation, confirmation, and delivery of investment product data. According to the company's website, Confluence technology is in use by 40% of the investment management firms worldwide and 60% of U.S. mutual funds to solve problems such as performance measurement and customized reporting for mutual funds, variable products, alternative investments, and other instruments. The Unity platform includes 10 products that utilize a centralized data repository. The products are designed to replace manual processes and spreadsheets and automate a variety of regulatory, marketing and financial reporting functions. Confluence is headquartered in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and lists other locations in San Francisco, California, and international offices in Brussels, Chi Minh City, London, and Luxembourg. Confluence is privately owned with growth equity investment backing from Polaris Venture Partners. Confluence was founded in 1991 by Mike Schiller and Mark Evans. Schiller left the company in 1997 and Evans currently serves as chairman and CEO of the company. Growth and acquisitions. Confluence acquired California-based data management company, Data Agent, an alternative investment industry data and reporting solutions leader, in 2013. In December 2014, Confluence announced the acquisition of Belgium-based data solutions provider, Offival, increasing the breadth of Confluence offerings with new capability in performance risk analytics and attribution. Awards and recognition. Since 2012, the Pittsburgh Business Times has ranked Confluence as one of Western Pennsylvania's healthiest employers. In 2012, Confluence was ranked as a Tech 50 Award finalist for the 6th consecutive year and 8th-time overall by the Pittsburgh Technology Council. The Pittsburgh Business Times has recognized Confluence as one of Pittsburgh's 100 fastest-growing companies since 1999 and listed as one of the fastest-growing private companies in the country by Incorporated Magazine in 2000. Mark Evans, Confluence chairman and CEO, received the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2011 Western Pennsylvania and West Virginia Award in the technology category. In 2013, Skip Smith, chief operating officer, was named a heavy hitter in Pittsburgh's technology community by Tech Magazine. References. External links. Official website. Confluence blog.